In the sunny green meadow of Peepville Farm, just behind the strawberry bushes and beside the giggling creek, lived 5 little chicks who were anything but ordinary. Why? Because each one was as bright as a crayon and full of personality. Meet the colorful chicks. Sunny, a bright yellow chick who loved sunshine and tickles. Rosie, a pink chick who adored twirling and giving hugs. Sky, a blue chick who loved to fly, well, try to, and ask why about everything. Fern, a green chick who liked rolling in the grass and climbing things. Pumpkin, an orange chick who giggled at everything, even her own hiccups. Today was a very special day on the farm. It was Playtime Parade Day. All the animal friends would gather to play games, dance, and show off their favorite toys. The chicks were so excited, they fluffed their feathers, bounced in their straw beds, and peeped out their plans. But first, they had to get ready. The feather fluff fiasco, let's make sure we look our best, said Sunny, hopping in front of the mirror made of a shiny spoon. She fluffed her feathers, puffed her chest, and said, "Ta-da." But when Rosie tried to fluff her feathers, she sneezed and poof. Feathers went flying like confetti. "Oh no," Rosie giggled. "I look like a pink puffball." Sky helped her smooth them down. "Teamwork makes smooth work," he said with a wink. Fern was rolling in the grass when she tripped, splat, right into a mud puddle. "Yikes. I look like a chocolate chick," she squeaked. "Time for a bubble bath," Pumpkin declared. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!